Hey guys, this is just a continuation of the previous video regarding the Git configuration. Well, let me tell you about Git configuration. What we saw last time was we saw Git config dash dash global user.name and git config dash dash global user.email and git config dash dash global config code.editor. So we saw all these three commands, and now we have to see the rest of the things. Give me a minute. Okay, now let me open the git bash here. Okay, so if you see this, we've already configured one. Okay, we've already configured this one and this one and this one. Okay, so now if you want to see what is the user.name configured, what you can do is you can type this git config user.name. It will tell you what is the name configured for this. And if you type git config user.email, yes. Okay, and same thing, git config code.editor, right, vi. Okay, so I'm going to clear the screen now, and there is one more option. If you see git config dash dash list, okay, it will tell you what all the environment variables has been set up. So far we have many variables are there. We're just discussing about username and a couple of very important things. So I'm just pressing the space bar and it moves to the next screen, or you can press the F button, because in Linux we call it as a pager. Yeah, it's more or less concept. Anyways, we don't want to discuss those things here. So well, let me tell you one more thing. So now if you see git config dash dash list and then dash dash show hyphen origin, and when you see this, so what happens is it will display all the variables and where are those variables saved. Okay, that is very important. So if you see, we have set up user.email and user.name and code.editor. So if you see these three things, so these three variables are located under this location. Okay, so let's go back to c colon users musab and .git config. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go there. So let me type pwd. So I'm in present working directory, so I'm just typing like this, which will take me to the c colon user slash musab. Okay, so here if you say ls-a, so it will tell me, you know, all the hidden files and everything. So I'm not able to see it in one screen, so I'm gonna pipe it. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so now if you say I have .git config is here. Yeah, you can see this. So now I'm going to open it right now, cat.git config. So if you see, yeah, this is the one I was telling about. So this user is here, okay, and alias is okay. I'll talk about alias later. So this is also core. We have editor is equal to vi. Yeah, so either you can directly type git config dash dash global user.name blah blah, or else you can come here and you can either insert a new things, or you can edit it, or you can delete it. Yeah, so you can do both ways. And this file location will be different if you're in different flavors of Linux or Unix, but right now I'm using git bash in Windows, so I'm in this location. Maybe if you're talking about some other operating system or some other flavors, it might be in home folder .config slash git slash config. So that you have to check your you know, maybe you can Google it. Okay, it depends on your flavors, guys. Okay, so okay, let's continue in the next video for rest of the sessions. Thank you.